is RJ, and I'm joined by our entire employer engagement team here at WGU. We're excited to introduce to you Career Quest, a month-long virtual career expo created exclusively for WGU students and alumni. Throughout this event, we'll showcase employers eager to connect with our WGU community, many of whom are actively hiring for full-time and part-time and internship positions. This is your chance to speak directly to these individuals. You'll also have the opportunity to participate in virtual sessions covering industry-specific insights, emerging trends, and essential skills to enhance your career readiness. These engaging sessions will feature WGU alumni and subject matter experts eager to share their expertise. Additionally, our career advising team will be offering workshops on networking, interviewing, and professional development to equip you for long-term career success. We're here to share insightful strategies and practical advice to help you maximize your Career Quest experience. We look forward to connecting with you and helping you take the next step in your professional journey.
Hi, I'm Ezra, and I'm excited to share the first step in helping you prepare for Career Quest. Before any employer event, you will want to take a few extra minutes to do some research and prepare. Research and preparation will help boost your confidence, set you apart from other candidates, and show recruiters you're serious about your career. And perhaps most importantly, along with the information you learn at the event, it'll help you decide if this employer is the right fit for you. Now, your first step is to visit the company's website, their About Us page, locations, and their LinkedIn company profile, along with other social media sites. Your goal is to better understand who they are and what they do, their mission, values, and culture, and any significant news or important trends that might affect the organization or their industry. Next, look at their careers page. Some might have specific programs designated for students, such as internships, co-ops, leadership development programs, or other entry-level opportunities. What are they currently hiring for, and what are they looking for in candidates? Are there any additional information they provide candidates with, such as timelines for recruiting, upcoming events, or opportunities to subscribe to a talent newsletter? You'll want to make note of this information. Lastly, check out their socials, especially LinkedIn. Get a sense for their communication style and branding, and be sure to emulate it. Are they a fun and vibrant company, or serious and professional? Use this opportunity to see who works there, what their backgrounds are, and perhaps if there are any WGU alumni to connect with. Now that you have done some research, make any notes on what appeals to you and any lingering questions that you might ask at the event. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Hong, and I'm here to share some quick tips on networking to help you make the most out of Career Quest. Even in a virtual setting, it's important to approach employers with a friendly and professional demeanor. If you're on camera, make sure you have good lighting and a clean background to make a positive impression. If you're not on camera, be sure to engage through thoughtful messages and active participation in the chat. Next, focus on asking engaging and thoughtful questions. Avoid diving into overly specific or personal situations, such as, I've worked in one field for several years. Would my experience apply directly to a new role in your industry? Instead, ask broader questions like, what skills or qualities do you value most in a candidate looking to transition into this field? These questions keep the conversation professional and help you gain valuable insights. Also, make sure to utilize the chat feature to make great impressions. Share your insights, connect with other students and alumni, and add engaging or encouraging comments to the discussion. Being active and supportive in the chat is a great way to stand out and build connections during the event. Networking is about building authentic relationships, so stay curious, professional, and approachable.
Hi, I'm Hank. Let's discuss how to maximize the value of the session you just attended by reflecting on the shared topic and staying connected with the presenter. Number 1, reflect and refine. Take some time to reflect on what you have learned. Revisit key takeaways from the session. Did any particular insights resonate with you? How can you apply these to your current role or future aspirations? What are your next steps? Number 2, connect on LinkedIn. Grow your professional network. Immediately after the event, connect with presenters on LinkedIn. A personal message can go a long way. Number 3, stay connected. Follow the organization's social media channels to stay updated on industry trends, upcoming events, and job postings. And number 4, a thank you email. Presenters usually share their contact information with attendees who may have follow-up questions about a specific topic. A simple thank you email to the presenter can leave a lasting impression. By taking these simple steps, you can maximize the value of your networking experience and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, every connection, every insight, and every opportunity can lead to something great.
Hi, I'm Addison. If you're looking to gain experience, build skills, and expand your professional network, CareerQuest offers a great opportunity to connect with employers about internships. We've hosted many companies that offer internships, including Walt Disney, Emerson, Cisco, Rocket Companies, Fiserv, Northwestern Mutual, and many more. During these sessions, come prepared with questions to determine whether the internship aligns with your professional goals. Additionally, be sure to connect with the recruiter on LinkedIn as they can share more detailed information about the opportunity after the session. You can also set up alerts on the company's website to notify you when their internship applications open. In addition to internships, CareerQuest highlights other experiential learning opportunities as well, like virtual simulations with Forage, which can increase your chances of receiving a job offer from a variety of Fortune 500 companies. Parker Dewey, an organization that offers micro-internships, also joined us during CareerQuest to share best practices for applying to micro-internships. After this presentation, WGU students saw a much higher selection rate for micro-internships from employers. We look forward to having you join us to learn more about ways to gain experience to advance in your career.
Hey, I'm Kristen. If you want to learn more about what's happening with CareerQuest, Handshake is a great place to do it. On Handshake, you can view all upcoming events available for WGU students and alumni to attend. This includes events posted by employers, sessions hosted by our career advisors, and Career Center employer events, which are specifically coordinated with our team for WGU students and alumni. You can also filter out only CareerQuest events by using the CareerQuest label. If you are in job search mode, take a look at the CareerQuest collection to view a listing of employers participating in our upcoming CareerQuest sessions. You'll also be able to review their current job and internship postings directly on the collection page.
Hi, I'm Preston. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about CareerQuest. As my colleagues have shared, CareerQuest is a fantastic and easy way to explore a variety of companies, industries, and the opportunities they offer. Not just a chance to learn, it's an opportunity to get inspired and take the next steps in your career journey. You're welcome to attend any and all sessions, no preparation required. However, if you really want to make the most of CareerQuest, remember 1, do your research and engage. Take some time to explore the companies you're most interested in and engage in the virtual session. Number 2, network. Use CareerQuest as an opportunity to connect with your WGU peers and company representatives. Number 3, leverage WGU Handshake. This is where companies post over 150,000 job and internship opportunities a year, specifically for WGU students and alumni. And number 4, keep learning and growing. Whether it's through an internship, apprenticeship, volunteering, or learning a new skill, always be on the lookout for ways to gain experience and expand your knowledge. Even small steps today can open big doors for you in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we're excited to see you at CareerQuest.